Hello everyone, welcome to the DM Reports YouTube channel. This is your business analyst friend Dibbendu here. I'm here today with another business concept. We will decode that business concept and try to see how we can convert that business concept in the form of mobile application or website. And then we will also discuss about how we can promote that in the digital media. So let us find out what is today's business idea. So today's business idea is about apartment rental services or property management, where as a business entrepreneur, if you own multiple apartments in metro cities or in different places and trying to manage many apartments together by using a single system, and you are trying to promote your apartment rental service business from a limited area to a broader area, then by using different technology, how we can build a product which will resolve a lot of your day-to-day management related problem, operation related issues, and ultimately you can reach out to those who are looking to get apartment from you. So let us decode this idea and try to see what are the important features that we can achieve in this business. I have come to Google and opening Jira application. I have already explained about Jira and Scrum board in my previous video, where I tried to explain you the chartered accountancy lead generation system. So in that video I talked about the Scrum Master role, the Jira application usage, how we organize the Scrum events, including releasing planning meeting, sprint planning meeting, and achieving different sprints, organizing daily Scrum meetings, reviewing sprints, and then arranging sprint retrospective meeting with the product owner or the client. We also talked about entire software development life cycle by using agile development practices, which starts from planning stage to we move to the sprint planning meeting and then trying to add different sprints after having a successful testing phase, and followed by the daily Scrum meeting and reviews. And obviously after sprint review meeting is successfully done, we are implementing everything and then it's going to the retrospective meeting where finally it is getting released and approved by the client. So this entire process, these 6 steps of Jira application usage or the project development or software development life cycle is clearly explained in that video. So I'm not repeating that here, but our primary motto is to discuss the project concept or the business idea, and also to see how we can execute the entire business concept in the software development life cycle by following agile development practice. Our primary purpose of having this YouTube channel is to provide you the business concept, that is true, but beside this our intention is to make you aware of the knowledge that how a software development life cycle works by following this sort of development practices like waterfall or agile. So in this case, kind of a concepts we are discussing in each YouTube videos has a lot of change management, change acceptance, and it depends on market demands. Anytime any features can get changed, so we have to be very flexible in terms of our software definition, so that any change is happening we can accept that change and make our application compatible to that need, that requirements. Now let's decode today's business idea. I'm going to create the project by selecting software development template and Scrum board Scrum template and making it as a team managed project, giving it a name apartment renting portal, making the board as private. I'm not connecting Bitbucket code repositories or Confluence project pages with this board. I'm just skipping this. Some other time I will explain. So as you can see, this is the empty board we have with empty to-do list and in progress list and done list. I'm going to the backlog section and creating the epics here. So in the front end of our view of the mobile application or the website, what are the things, what are the epics we can create here? Let's discuss about that. So what is our idea all about? What exactly we are doing here? So from business perspective, if you think you own different type of apartments like individual apartments, business apartments in different metro cities, in different countries, or in different primary locations. What you are trying to do here, provide a service accommodation in premium areas to different sort of people like college students, business people, whoever need the apartment. Now to do that and to professionally manage entire management system from a single admin panel, what are the primary features we will be requiring? Let's discuss about that. So we are starting from the home page of the web application or the mobile application. We are writing it here that home page is the first epic we have here, and then we will have few informative pages like about us, service accommodation offers, image gallery, become a partner or investor. We can have contact us. Now if you see home page, about us, service accommodation offers, image gallery, become a partner or investor, and contact us, these are the top level epics. Now each of these epic will have the story. If we break into smaller parts, smaller size of these features, that will create the story here. So I'm going to write story next, but before that I would like to inform that with this sort of epics you can launch a small scale product in the beginning when you have small number of apartments and trying to promote those apartments in the beginning days. So we would recommend that you start with this sort of feature. But once you grow from the initial stage to the mid-level stage of your business, what we recommend that you add some important features in your epic. So what are those features we can add? Examples are property listings. I'm going to write the detailed story of property listings. After that you can add search property, booking system. We can include the sign up and login facilities for the respective stakeholders. So here the stakeholders are your user, so we can use user account or user sign up and login. Then we can have user dashboard. We can have the interactive map section where all your apartments will be presented to the viewers. We can include reviews and ratings. We can also include contact and inquiry, virtual tours. We can continuously send and update the user by sending user notifications. Payment integration will be a part of this booking system. We can include language and currency settings or currency option where in different countries you have apartments. We can have social sharing. These epics cover the entire front-end view of your apartment renting services or the property management portal. So what exactly we have included in the epic section? I am once again reviewing it. Home page, about us, service accommodation offers, or we can also write like featured apartments here. We have included image gallery, become a partner or investor for the interested parties, contact us, property listing and search functionality, booking system, user sign up, login and dashboard, interactive map, reviews and ratings, contact and inquiry, virtual tours, user notifications, payment integration, language and currency options, social sharing. If you wish, we can include one forum section so that we can engage the users and they can share their views with the other users who took your apartment rental services before. Now let's discuss about admin panel. Now as the product owner or business entrepreneur, what are the management system we will be requiring inside admin panel? All those we are going to write here under admin panel epic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to homepage epic and creating the stories here. In the homepage, the first story we can mention as banners to represent service accommodation in premium areas. Now as explained to you in my previous videos, these stories we can assign to certain resources from team. We can mention the deadline when it will be a part of a sprint, so it will go with that sprint deadline. Similarly, beside these stories we can also create tasks and bug under this epic. So I'm going to write next story which can be a part of home page as well as of a informative page. Right now it's a part of home page. We are going to write it what we are offering, picture and description, visual content. We can have featured apartment section here in the home page, testimonials, some of our corporate clients. In the home page, if you wish, you can keep the search function, search property function with searching parameters. We can highlight important location and listings of properties. We can keep a small section where we can write about your company. So about the company, we can keep the user sign up and login option in the home page itself. We can keep the language and currency selection option in the home page itself. We can have the footer section in the home page. These are the stories. Now we can write few tasks like create DB schema, write cases for the home page, execute test cases for the home page, or automate test cases for the home page. If automation is not available, so manually execution will be there. So this is covering the epic of home page. All stories are written here. Now we can go to the other epic called about us. There we can add more stories where we will be talking about the content of that page. Similarly, service accommodation, we can write the stories of listing different services or different offerings that you would like to give to your customers. Image gallery, we can create attractive image gallery where your apartment images will be listed, and by scrolling down, user can really have nice experience about your apartments. Become a partner or investor section, we can write the information so that what are the rules and regulations are available to become a partner. They can read and send their inquiries to you. Contact us. Anybody who is having doubts or queries, they can write back to you. So under property listing, we can create stories, display a list of available apartments with images, description and prices, filter and sort option to narrow down search results. So this story of narrowing down the search results also will be under search functionality. That is another epic. Filtering parameters like location, price and amenities can be used here. We can attach the interactive map with property listing view. Similarly, search property epic can have these two story under it as well. Booking system, we can have a calendar based booking to select check-in and check-out dates. We need to have availability checker and status displayed for each apartment. Under user sign up and login epic, we can have user account related stories like user registration with mobile number and OTP, user login with mobile number and OTP. We can have SMS gateway integration here. Under user dashboard, we can create stories like my favorites where they can save their favorite apartment details, booking history, what are the different apartments they have booked in different time, different month. All the details will be available here. They can manage reservations, so current reservations they can manage from here. So these are the stories will be available for them. Billing and invoice, so whatever payments they have made, for those entire details and invoice will be available here. Ratings and reviews sections will help them to provide their ratings and reviews for the apartments which they have booked. Account settings will allow them to maintain their setting details like changing password, updating their profile, etc. My profile will help them to maintain their profile details. Under interactive app, we can write stories like Google Map integration with property listed and with available search option. Review and ratings, we can mention the story like whatever ratings and reviews are given by the user who used these apartments before. The total reviews and ratings can be presented here against each and every apartment. We can write top ratings and reviews. Under virtual tours, we can create stories like 360-degree view of each apartment. Under user notification epic, we can write stories like updating user after each action taken on the platform. Email notification, we can send them. If they are using mobile application, then we can send push notifications to them. Payment integration, under payment integration, we can write stories like PayPal gateway integration, Stripe gateway integration. Language and currency options, we can write Google language API integration, third-party currency API integration. In case of advanced platform, instead of using Google language API, you can build entire language management system from scratch itself. By using admin panel, you can manage the front-end content in different languages. Under social sharing, we will have options to share via Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So option to share means we can share apartment images with our comments, etc. Forum, you already know the stories we can create here where they can share their views with a title and description. Also they can write the comments and reply to other comments as well. Now going to admin panel and writing important story in the admin panel, we can start with property category management, property management or apartment management. Property management, where you can add, edit or remove apartment listing with details and images. Property category management, where you can add, edit, delete different category and subcategories of your properties or apartments. Next, we can have booking management, to view and manage reservations, check-ins and check-outs, and ability to block certain dates or properties for maintenance. So under booking management, each apartments you will have availability calendar which you can maintain by using your admin panel features, or block certain dates for maintenance purpose, so that user who is interested to book for that apartment, they can see that a particular date is already blocked due to maintenance work. We can have user management in the admin part, where you can manage all user accounts including registration, login and user information. We can have analytics and reports, where you can monitor website traffic, booking trends and user engagement details. Generate reports on revenue, occupancy rate and popular properties. We can have reviews moderation section, so that admin can moderate the reviews. If the reviews are bad, admin can take the decision so that he can approve, edit or delete user generated reviews and ratings. Next, we can have content management, from where you can manage entire front-end content of information based pages like about us, contact us, service offerings, etc. In the admin panel, we can have a promotional management section, from where if you would like to promote any particular property, you can do that from here. If you want to, we can have email template management in the backend, by using which you can send them email notifications by using certain format of the templates. Customizing and managing email templates for booking confirmation, notification, everything can be done from here. Next, we can keep support and communication. By managing support and communication from the admin panel, you can initiate the chat or messaging system for direct communication with users and respond to user inquiries and resolve their issues. Next, we can have payment management, which will help you to monitor payment transactions and resolve payment related concerns. We can have SEO optimization settings. Using these sections, you can manage meta tags, keywords and other SEO settings to improve website visibility. Next, we can introduce security and access control system. It will help you to implement user role and permissions to control admin panel access. Why you have to give different access to different people? Because you should not disclose entire admin panel features to each of your admin employees. You give one access to one employee, so that end of the day, for any misuse, you can cross check that who is responsible for that misuse of information. Now this is all about our today's business concept of apartment rental services. I tried to explain you the small scale project, mid scale project and advanced scale project details. From this list of epics, you can select minimum, mid-level or maximum level of features. Accordingly, you can go for these stories from right hand panel. Now to start a sprint of 2 weeks timeline, we can go to sprint number 1 and select what are the stories we would like to achieve in sprint 1 goal. So say first 2 weeks timeline, we would like to achieve homepage, and we will start with these banners, what we are offering section, featured apartment, testimonials, some of our corporate clients, search property function, important location and listing, about the company. So all homepage related items I am selecting, and we have to achieve this in first 2 weeks timeline, along with creating DB schema and writing test cases. Also we have to write test case framework. I forgot to add it here, so that will be part of the sprint 1. In case automation is available, we can use that service, or manually execution will be there for test cases. So these things I'm going to add under sprint 1, and then we will start sprint 1 and try to achieve it within 2 weeks deadline. Sprint goal, we can write here our sprint goal as we have to deliver a working homepage to the product owner without any issues at the end of 2 weeks timeline. The OTD and FTR principle we have to follow so that we can avoid doing repeat work. So we are starting this sprint. As you can see, the Scrum board is ready here with to-do list items. 15 items are there under to-do list, which we can drag in progress. I have not assigned to anyone here, but while working I have to assign to a team member who will be working on this, and they will mark this task as completed. Accordingly, our timeline section will be updated, as well as once I activate Jira reporting section, I will be able to see the burn down charts here. So this way we can track the progress of our project and see that we are meeting the deadline given by our product owner. And finally, as a business entrepreneur or the product owner, you will be happy to see that whatever concepts you have tried to implement, finally your software development team will be able to achieve that in time and launch in the market. Hope today's video and today's business concept is clear to you. In case if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I am not getting any comments from you guys. In case if you would like to get specific business concept related videos on my channel, please write in the comment box so that I can do proper R&D regarding that business concept and make the video for you. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can always stay up to date and get my new business concept related videos on time. Thank you for watching this channel. This is your business analyst friend Dibbendu, and thanks for watching the DM Reports YouTube channel.